Write an equation when given a point and the slope. So when we're given just a point and a slope, there's really only one thing we can do with that, and that is to write our equation in point-slope form. Point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And if we look up at our point, that's the x1 and y1 for the equation, and then we have our m value of -3. So what we're going to do now is we're going to substitute in the values of x1, y1, and m into those three spots. So we have y minus a -1. Anytime you have that minus a negative, it does become plus. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that as +1. So look out for a minus a negative. That changes to plus. Equals our slope, which is -3 times x minus 3. So here's an equation of the line. Right now it's in point-slope form. We're going to go ahead and get this to slope-intercept form. To do that, we're going to solve for y. And to solve for y, we start by distributing this -3. So we have y plus 1 equals -3x. This -3 times the -3 becomes a +9. And then last step, subtract 1 from both sides. So y equals -3x plus 8. So that is your slope-intercept form. Now, when we're asked to go to standard form is the ax plus by equals c. So we can take our slope-intercept form from down here and use that to get it to standard form. What we want to do is have the x's and the y's on the same side of the equal sign. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3x to both sides. So I have 3x plus y equals 8. And two things we want to be looking for. First, we can't have any fractions. So we look at our equation and say, do we have any fractions? We don't have any of those, so we're good with the fractions. And the other one is that a value must be positive. And the a value is right in front of our x, that 3. Because it's a +3, we're good there. We don't have to do any adjustments. So standard form is 3x plus y equals 8.